Hi, in this video, we'll explore the edge rolling functionality in constancy strategy of Pro 3D HSM technology. Edge rolling means when you enable this parameter, SolidCam, enables to optimize the tool rolling on the machining vertical surfaces like we have in this model. Let's create a toolpath and see how it works. Uh, Let me choose a ball nose. This is my tool, and my step down would be like 5.5, and I will just hit the calculate button. Okay. Now, if you look at the toolpath, the starting of the toolpath, you have a lot of gap uh, uh, between the the coordinate system and the first slice. So if we go to simulation and look at the first slice depth of cut, this is somewhere around 4 millimeters. So this is expected result because when you're machining with the ball nose, on the vertical wall, the first contact point will be exactly on the end of the tool radius. So my first slice step down would be minus 4 millimeters. But we have given the step down of a 0.5 millimeter. We want to get the initial step down 0.5, even if it is a bull mill or a ball mill with a huge corner radius or a bigger tool. So what we can do is we can just enable the edge rolling. SolidCam will automatically create additional passes on this edge, and to compensate that tool radius. So now if you look at the simulation, our first step down, the first slice step down will be exactly minus 0.5 millimeters, what we had defined in the tool path. So it is also same with the bull mill. Let me copy paste this tool path and select 10R1 tool. Okay, now my step down, so 0.33. I will hit the calculate button. Sorry, let me disable the edge rolling. So if we look at the simulation for the first step down, uh, since this tool comes with a corner radius of 1 millimeter, so the initial step down will be exactly minus 1 millimeter. So if the initial step down is minus 1 mm, probably if you have more stock on the wall, you would remove more material with the first slice or first step down. So because of this, initially with the first slice itself, you are removing the more material. It means sometimes the tool might even worn out very quickly, and the moment you go down, uh, while machining goes down, you can see that the part is not accurately machined, and you can observe small taper on this wall after machining. So what you can do is to make it equal step down, constant step down throughout the machining, especially on the vertical walls, especially on the edges. You can enable the edge rolling and hit the calculate button. Now it will make sure It starts and follows the surface that we have provided for the toolpath calculation, and maintains the step down even from the starting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.